In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your drawings in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed a quick, reliable way to check sizes, distances, or angles in your drawing without placing permanent dimensions, this is the simplest method. We're going to use a built-in command that gives you instant on-screen measurements as you move your cursor around your geometry. It's perfect for quick verification, sanity checks, and making sure everything is lining up the way you expect. Start by typing Measure Geom on the command line, then press Enter. That's all you need to activate the measuring mode. You don't have to select anything first. Once the command is running, just move your mouse over the areas or objects you want to check. As you hover, AutoCAD will display temporary measurement readouts right on the screen. These are visual overlays that might show lengths, angles, radii, or even widths and clearances, depending on what you're hovering over. Hover gently along edges to read linear distances, slide toward corners to see helpful snap points light up, and move inside closed shapes to reveal dimensions that help you understand sizes at a glance. The nice thing here is that nothing is being drawn or placed on your layout. These measurements are purely temporary. They won't print, and they disappear as soon as you move away, keeping your drawing clean. If your screen feels busy, take a moment to zoom in toward the area you're evaluating. A closer view often makes the temporary dimensions easier to read and helps the software understand exactly which edge or corner you want to measure. Move your cursor slowly and deliberately, pausing over key edges or intersections. You'll notice the measurements will update dynamically as you reposition the cursor. A few practical tips while you hover. Stay near the specific line or corner you care about so you get the most relevant readouts. If you're comparing two areas, pan across the drawing gradually to see how the values change. And if an area doesn't respond right away, give the cursor a second to settle, then try hovering from a slightly different angle. And that's really it. Type Measure Geom and press Enter. Hover your mouse over what you want to measure, and use the temporary on-screen dimensions to confirm your distances and angles. It's fast, it's non-destructive, and it's a great way to spot check your work before you commit to anything more formal. There you go. That's all you need to measure your drawings in AutoCAD with confidence.